This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Remove the centre trims from the front wheels. Fit the locking wheel bolt adapter. Slacken the wheel bolts. Jack up the front of the vehicle and support it securely on axle stands. Remove the jack. Remove the wheel bolts. Remove the right-hand front wheel. Use a spanner on the centre bolt and turn the tensioner clockwise. Lock the tensioner in its released position by inserting a locking pin, or use an Allen key or similar, inserting it through the lug into the tensioner body. Note how the drive belt is routed, then remove it from the crankshaft pulley, alternator pulley and air conditioning compressor pulley. Locate the new drive belt on the pulleys Then, by holding the tensioner with a spanner, remove the locking pin. Slowly release the pressure on the spanner so that the tensioner takes up the slack in the belt. Check that the belt is located correctly in the multi-grooves in the pulleys. Refit the front right-hand wheel. Fit the locking bolt adapter and lightly tighten the bolts. Jack up the vehicle and remove the axle stands. The vehicle can now be lowered to the ground. Remove the jack. Tighten the wheel bolts, then remove the locking bolt adapter. The centre caps can now be refitted. Remember to remove the chocks from the rear wheels.